Instagram is one of the largest social media platforms in the entire world, with 31 million people scrolling for hours and hours every single day on it. That's why it's so important as an influencer, as a creator, to get as much content as you can out there so you can maximize your audience reach. But you don't have to create all new content every single time. Instead, you can actually repurpose your content and even turn 16:9 videos into 9:16 videos. This can be footage that you've already recorded, like a podcast, a YouTube video, anything that you think you could turn into a short or an Instagram reel, you can. To do this is super easy and it's going to save you a bunch of time. Just type in VEED.new into your URL browser or click on the first link in the description. It'll take you to VEED's online editor and you'll want to upload your original footage here, which will appear on the timeline. Head over to the settings tab here, and on the drop down tab here there'll be a bunch of different options for you to choose from, one including specifically for shorts like TikTok or Instagram, and the change will automatically appear onto your program monitor here so we can actually see the edits that we're making in real time. So here it is, we've just automatically resized the video in one button. Now let's actually make the video better and make it a bit more appealing to look at. And you can do that in the elements tab on the left hand side. You can add shapes, you can add logos and call to action buttons. You can even ask them to subscribe or like the video. So I've now spent some time playing with the elements, trying to get something that looks good for our Instagram reel, and it's come out like this. I think it looks pretty cool, so I'm going to get ready to export it so I can download it, show it to social media, or even embed it into a website if you want to. So head over to the top right export button here and we'll see that we can render it in different resolutions depending on the resolution that we recorded it in. For this one, I know it's just a standard HD video, so I'll click on that option here and then we'll click on export. And here it is, our video is now fully rendered. We've changed it from a 16:9 YouTube video all the way to a 9:16 Instagram reel. I hope you guys got some value from this content. If you did, feel free to leave a like. Thank you guys so much for watching. Click on these two videos here, which will help you improve your videos further and learn more about social media. But I'll see you guys over there. Goodbye.